Hello everyone, and thanks for joining. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to change your password in the Discord app on your Android mobile device. Keeping your account secure is very important, so let's dive right in and make sure your password is updated safely and easily. First, open the Discord app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Settings icon at top right corner. Then, scroll down slightly and tap on Account. Next, scroll down until you find the Password option. Then, tap on Password. Now, enter your current password in the first field. After that, type your new password carefully in the second field. Finally, tap on the Change Password button to confirm your update, and your Discord password will be updated. To wrap up, changing your Discord password on Android is simple and quick. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.